City dog training facility has filed a defamation lawsuit after animal cruelty charges against her were dropped. First tonight, the Bristol Motor Speedway looks to be the center of the sports world for at least one night next month. Welcome into News Channel 11 at 5. I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Josh Smith. Good afternoon. The world's fastest half mile is going to host NASCAR's All-Star race, which is just incredible news. It will not be a packed house. The race has been given, though, the green light to have tens of thousands of fans in attendance. The NASCAR All-Star race is scheduled for Wednesday, July 15th at Bristol Motor Speedway, and NASCAR said 30,000 fans will be allowed to attend the race, which was moved from Charlotte Motor Speedway because of an increase in COVID-19 cases there.
News Channel 11's Kaylin Cluck asked Sullivan County Health Department officials for their thoughts on this mass gathering coming to Bristol.
Despite thousands of people set to gather in Bristol, health officials hope the precautions the track is taking will keep COVID-19 case numbers low here in Northeast Tennessee.
Yes, I am concerned, but I think they have taken appropriate safety reactions in their planning.
Some of those safety reactions from Bristol Motor Speedway include added hand sanitizer stations and social distancing crowds in the stands. With 30,000 fans allowed at the stadium for the All-Star race, the venue that can hold over 150,000 won't be anywhere close to full.
We've got low numbers, which allows us to even consider such type of an event.
Dr. Stephen May with the Sullivan County Health Department says Northeast Tennessee is experiencing the lowest coronavirus case rates in the state. He hopes bringing fans back to Bristol won't change that.
The proof will be in the pudding. If we see a large spike 2 weeks after the race or whatever, then we may be able to tie that back.
Those buying tickets on the BMS website will also see references to a waiver for assumption of risk due to COVID-19. It says in part, although preventative measures set forth by the facility are intended to help reduce the spread of COVID-19, we cannot guarantee you will not be exposed during your visit. Campgrounds around the track say they're trying to help mitigate the spread by spacing out campers.
We're going to have hand washing stations, portable toilets. Our shower house will be cleaned more often, and all areas that get touched very often will be cleaned regularly.
Despite any risks, excitement over the race's surprise move to Bristol can't be stopped. Earhart Campground says fans are already calling in to make reservations.
We're very happy to hopefully get some of our campers back here, some of our fans, and reunite with some of our Earhart Campground family we've been missing this year.
The waiver on the BMS website lists other health guidance for fans attending. This includes possible temperature screenings and mask wearing is encouraged. Kaylin Cluck, News Channel 11.
Tickets now are on sale for NASCAR's All-Star race at Bristol Motor Speedway in July, the 36th running of the race. Bristol will be the third track in history to host it. And probably worth mentioning again, before you get that ticket, you will have to acknowledge the risk of COVID-19 exposure on that waiver Kaylin showed us. The track does not guarantee you will not be exposed. The race will take place July 15th at 7 p.m. and we've got a link for ticket information set up right now on WJHL.com.